This is fake.
Michelle's faking it. She's faking it. Hey, we are about to go into the largest knife store in the world. It also has gun and ammo as well, but it's in Sevierville, Tennessee, and it's right on the outskirts of Pigeon Forge in Gatlinburg. So come with us as we walk in here and take a look around. We'll video a little bit, maybe not a whole lot. We've been here before, but this parking lot is packed.
It's so crowded that we're having to park in an additional parking lot in the back.
On a Thursday at a little after 12 o'clock, and it is a packed parking lot already. But when you go in here, they have everything. I mean, it's not just like regular knives. They have kitchen knives, all kinds of knives, and plus they have other, other kitchen type stuff as well. So let's go in here and check this place out. But it is the world's largest knife store.
All right, just a heads up, in this video, what we're going to do is I'm just going to play some music in the background and let you guys walk through this place with us. As I said earlier, they have hatchets, they have tons of knives. As I mentioned earlier, it's the world's largest knife store. It's actually called the world's largest knife showcase. But they have kitchen items, they have camping items, they have guns and ammo, they have clothes. You name it, they have it here. They got comic books, they got trading cards, collectibles. At the very end of this, there's about a 1 or 2 minute segment that has collectibles like fossils and war items. They have a relics area, which I really dig because I'm into collectibles and history and stuff. So I'm going to play some music low on this. You're not going to hear a lot of talking from me, and just let you guys kind of walk through this area with us. They even have Funko Pops here. Can you believe that? But I could have spent 4 or 5 hours in here. My wife spent about 30 minutes and she went back to the car. But me and Anthony have really enjoyed it. But you guys check this out. If you're ever in Sevierville, Tennessee, right outside of Pigeon Forge, you got to check this place out if you love knives and guns and ammo and all that kind of cool stuff. The world's largest knife store. Thank you. Hey, one thing to be looking for coming up too, and it's not right here now, but it will be coming up, is they have cool fountains inside of here, like little streams running through with water, and so kids and stuff will like to look at that. They have a huge toy section as well for kids, so they do have things for kids, a little bit for everybody in the family. They have a kitchen area, but they have really cool, running water and stuff through this place, so you'll see that coming up as well.
called the relic room. They got a lot of war things found from wars. And some things not so good. There's things found from war and sold here.
I mean, can you believe they have dinosaur fossils in here? I mean, they really do. They have certificate of origins from them as well. They're authenticated. You can see the comic books back here. But yeah, they have everything in this relic area. They have shark, Megalodon, shark tooths, and I mean, they have everything in here. War relics. It's really incredible. Even if you don't buy anything, it's worth checking out.
Just to let you know, they have a bunch of cooking stuff as well here.
Hey, thank you guys for checking out our video, Lovey's Fat Life. The fat stands for food and travel. We like cruising, we like going to the Smoky Mountains, and we love smoking meat, grilling meat, and grilling meat. So please like and subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing. Here's a couple other playlists for you. Thank you.